Here we are in section 4.3, exercises part A with the numbers 14 through 19. It says find the slope between each pair of points. And the formula for slope is given in the book as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, either one of those. So y minus y, let's do it. The slope of number 14, y minus y, always on top with the y's, the rise, the altitude gain, over 8 minus 7. So it equals a negative 5. Now watch your negatives on there. It's a negative 2 minus 3, so you're going further in the negative direction. And then 8 minus 7 is 1. So the slope is just a negative 5. And you could write it as negative 5 over 1 if you chose. Let's check that answer. Slope is negative 5. Good. Number 15. M equals y minus y over x minus x. Now notice we subtracted a negative 5. 1 minus 6 is a negative 5. 8 minus a minus 5 is positive 13. Oh, good. Negative 5/13. Let's double check our answer. And there we have negative 5/13. The number 16. Let's do y minus y. Let's go this way for a change. Minus 8 minus a minus 1 over negative 3 minus a minus 3. All right, so that's negative 8 plus 1. Negative 8 plus 1 is a negative 7 over negative 3 plus 3 is 0. Now, if you've forgotten if this is 0 or undefined, let's get our calculator out and see what we have here. 7 negative divided by 0 equals, cannot divide by 0. This is an error. Yeah, this is a vertical line, and it is undefined slope. So the slope is undefined. Let's double check that answer. We do have the slope is undefined. Good. Number 17. 9, negative 2, 3. So the slope will do 9 minus 3 over 7 minus that negative 2. So y minus y over x minus x. And that gives us 6 over 7 plus 2 is 9, which reduces down to 2/3. And just for good measure, let's double check that it will get the same thing if we subtract the other way. 3 minus 9, that's a negative 6. And negative 2 minus 7, negative 6 over negative 9. The negatives cancel and we still get 2/3. And that's why the 2's and the 1's can switch places if you do it on the top and the bottom. Let's double check our answer. Slope is 2/3. Good. Number 18. Y minus y, so the slope is going to be 2 minus 6 over negative 5 minus 4. Right? Negative 5 minus that 4, and we get 2 minus 6 is a negative 4 over negative 5 minus 4 is a negative 9. So the two negatives cancel and we get 4/9. Let's double check that. 4/9 indeed for number 18. And number 19 to finish off. We have negative 6/1 and 6/1. Well, you might be able to tell the ones are the same, so that this is going to be up at y equals 1 in a horizontal line. But let's do it officially. 1 minus 1 over negative 6 minus 6. That gives us 0 over negative 12. And if you've forgotten if this indicates 0 or undefined, you can plug that in your calculator. 0 divided by 12 equals, and it just computes 0 just fine. So it's a slope of 0, which is a horizontal line. Let's check that answer. Slope of 0. Good.